It often happens that the doctor is our last hope, the one who fights for the life of each of us. That's why a doctor is one of the most demanded, respected, and highly paid professions in the world. Do you feel that this is your calling, being a doctor, a superhero that guards people's health and well-being? We invite you to Russia, to our medical training camp. You can choose between programs in general medicine, dentistry, or pharmacy, as well as clinical residency and postgraduate programs. If you want to study in English or French, you can enter directly into the first year of your chosen program. If you are planning to study in Russian, you can complete a foundation course where you will study Russian and specialized medical disciplines, chemistry and biology. After successful completion of this one-year course, you will be ready to study in Russian in a group with Russian students. Theoretical knowledge in our university always goes hand in hand with practice. During your classes, you can work with real patients and learn from highly qualified doctors. Here, you can also find medical training mannequins that help you perfect your superhero skills. You will be practicing on the newest, unique equipment, which will allow you to model situations in the most realistic way, from resuscitation to childbirth. If you choose dentistry as your specialty, you will practice your skills at the best dental clinic of the region. Pharmacy students will practice at the university pharmaceutical facilities or at one of the leading pharmacies of the city. But even superheroes can get tired from their training. That is why future doctors live in comfortable student hotels located within walking distance from university. Once you complete your studies and master your profession, you will receive a diploma that is recognized worldwide, which will give you the opportunity to save people all over the world. You might think that this kind of education is quite expensive, and yes, it is. But Russia has always been a country of great opportunities. And this is why the Russian government sponsors the cost of your education, making it rather accessible. Are you ready to become a highly qualified doctor? Enter Astrakhan State Medical University, recognized by the World Health Organization, where more than 6,000 students study in Russian, English, and French, 40% of which are foreign citizens from more than 60 countries. International Department of the University, RACUS, will help you with documents and admission. Act. Become a real doctor superhero. Submit your application online at edurussia.ru and become a student of a prestigious Russian medical university with century-long history, the Astrakhan State Medical University. It's time to study in Russia.